where are we?
We've stopped off on the way home at I don't know what it's called really. I know it's Kev's. Kev's organises the show, I think, probably with others, but I know, well, we know Phil and Gail, who we was with yesterday. They've come here, and there'll be a few other people we know here as well, but it's
just trying to just bear with me a minute, just stay for a minute. Look, we're at Redgrave. It says Redgrave Koski, so I'm assuming it's the village of Redgrave.
Yeah, it is.
Very similar to where we was the other week, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When we went to Debenham. The houses look all being very quirky, aren't they?
Yeah.
But yeah, we've just sort of
It's a nice village.
drove through it, haven't we?
Yeah.
Now going up a hill. Don't know what it is with hills in these villages.
Well, the good thing is we'll be going down the hill back to the motorhome. So we've had to park the motorhome
Oh, you can't see it.
over there.
Oh, you can in the way.
But yeah, it's a nice little pit stop, isn't it, on the way home.
Yeah. Sort of out of our way a little bit, but
There'll
Not
only
too
be
much,
30 cars here, I think, anyway, but definitely worth a stop and a look. He won't sell it to us, would he?
no.
Is it more than you thought?
Yeah, it's more than what you thought as well.
Know.
I appreciate it,
Oh, there's something true there.
There's our friends Andy and Janet.
They do try and pick this one.
That's the funny car people I was talking.
Now going to be presented by Abby, and the choice is Devil's Brew, owned by Phil Oldfield. So come on down, Phil and Abby. Very heavy, this trophy. I want it really. Oh yeah, well done, Phil. It's too tall. Thanks so much to Kevin and Abby for donating that. The drag racing history. Kevin is still European funny car champion as we speak. Top job, thanks guys.
Well, considering we were staying for half an hour, I think we've been here about 3.
Yeah, it's alright though.
Yeah.
I'm glad we stopped.
Yeah, it was nice, wasn't
Been
it?
a great...
Oh, hang on a minute, are they trying to come in?
Yeah. And then he got run over then.
Probably only the driveway what's free. Yeah, so it was nice. Good turnout of people, weren't there?
Yeah, definitely.
Lots of variety of cars.
A lot of cool cars.
Yeah.
No rubbish at all, was there?
No, there wasn't.
Yeah.
No, it's very good.
Well,
That's it.
what a brilliant end to a really good weekend, isn't it?
Yeah, really good.
Kev's show was brilliant. It had like a real relaxed kind of cool vibe. It was really good. There was lots of really nice cars there, weren't there?
Yeah, there was. Yeah. Again, different ones we haven't seen before.
Yeah, there's a lot of different ones we've not seen before. That truck that I really liked was there again.
It's following you.
I actually spoke to the owner of the truck, tried to get him to sell it, but he's not having none of it.
No, it means a little bit too much to him, doesn't it?
Yeah.
He told us the personal reasons why he's got it. So yeah, that's one that's not going to come up for sale, I think, for some time.
Yeah.
But
So forget about that one.
yeah.
And he only goes 40 mile an hour anyway.
Well,
so
that's
probably
fine.
better not.
That's fine. Anyway, that's it, isn't it, for another one?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go home now, I think, for a bit of a rest. But I think we've got things to do when we get home. That's the trouble.
Yeah.
Isn't it? And we're also now trying to sort out a booking for another time with some people.
Yeah. Well,
we no sooner get one over with, and then we have another booking that we've got to try and sort out, which is good. So yes, once again, if you like us and you haven't subscribed and you want to hear more, like, subscribe, ring the bell would be brilliant. And for now, I'm going to say bye.
Adios.
And we'll see you on the next one.